As you can see, this is my current setup for 3D printing. It's pretty terrible. We're gonna fix that though, because we got something. This thing from Amazon. It's just your basic 3D printer table thing with outlets on it. So we're gonna hook it up. And there we are. We have a solution if you have a 2 printer setup like I do, with plenty of room for filament and other stuff. So go check it out. Link will be in the description. And yes, there is an upcoming video about this printer. So stay tuned and subscribe.